Rio or São Paulo, beaches or business, beauty or power. Today, we explore Brazil's greatest urban rivalry. Rio de Janeiro is carved between mountains and sea, spanning a little over 465 square miles of dramatic coastline and steep, jungle-covered peaks. São Paulo stretches much wider, more than 585 square miles of non-stop urban energy. Inside city limits, Rio counts about 6.7 million residents, a compact capital of scenery and culture. São Paulo nearly doubles that, with close to 12 million in its municipality alone. Zooming out, Greater Rio reaches roughly 13 million, while Greater São Paulo surges past 21 million, placing it among the world's top megacities. Economically, São Paulo is the heavyweight. Converted to USD, the city's annual output exceeds $200 billion, Brazil's #1 municipal economy, while Rio ranks #2 at roughly $80 billion. Across Brazil, unemployment recently fell to near 5%, a multi-year low, helping both cities. São Paulo sits around the mid-5% range in late 2024 readings, while Rio closed 2024 near 6.9%, its best in 9 years. Crime is where people notice contrasts. Rio has reduced violent deaths and homicides in recent periods, yet continues to wrestle with theft, phones, bikes, and vehicles in several districts, especially on non-tourist areas of the north side of the town. São Paulo posts one of Brazil's lowest homicide rates among large states and continues to cut violent crime, but faces high volumes of non-violent theft each year. Now let's bring these cities to life and weave in the best zones to live as we go. Rio de Janeiro is pure spectacle. Atop Corcovado, Christ the Redeemer opens its arms over the city. Across the bay, Sugarloaf Mountain offers a classic cable car ride and 360-degree views that blend ocean, forest, and skyline. Down on the sand, Copacabana, Ipanema, and Leblon pulse with their own rhythms. Sunrise jogs, sunset volleyball, and a nightlife that spills into the streets. Football echoes at Maracana, and the city breathes through Tijuca National Park, one of the largest urban forests on Earth. Where to live in Rio, woven into the vibe. If you want upscale, walkable, beachfront living, look to Ipanema, safe, stylish, and close to everything. For top-tier exclusivity and quiet, Leblon is the city's most prestigious pocket, with a calmer beach and high-end dining. If you're a young professional or digital nomad, Botafogo delivers a central location, metro access, co-working, and value without losing culture. Crave classic beachfront energy on a budget? Copacabana remains lively and well-policed in tourist corridors. Just keep your street smarts. Prefer space, malls, and a suburban feel? Barra de Tijuca offers gated condos, beaches, and family-friendly living along a long sweep of coast. São Paulo is a different kind of wonder, vertical, cultural, and relentlessly inventive. On Avenida Paulista, the São Paulo Museum of Art anchors a skyline of galleries, bookstores, and cafes. The city exhales in Ibirapuera Park, lakes, bike paths, and some of the country's best museums, including the Museum of Modern Art and Afro-Brazil Museum, all framed by Oscar Niemeyer's curves. Street art explodes in Batman Alley, while food lovers wander the municipal market and neighborhoods where global cuisines sit block by block. Where to live in São Paulo, woven into the vibe. If you want a trendy, social hub with art, cafes, and nightlife, choose Vila Madalena, bohemian, network-friendly, and energizing. For safety and luxury near great dining and shopping, Jardins is a perennial expat favorite. If you value walkability, transit, and a superb food scene, Pinheiros balances lifestyle and practicality, and rates among the city's safer bets. For a business-centric, going-out address, Itaiambibe is packed with restaurants, bars, and modern apartments. If you're after green, suburban living near schools and parks, Morambi is family-friendly with access to top healthcare and international schools. So how do both places keep improving? Smarter growth and housing. Focus new homes near transit, cut commutes, and open more mixed-income options. In Rio, Connect neighborhoods across mountains and bays. In São Paulo, keep scaling walkable, transit-oriented districts. São Paulo should keep integrating rail and buses. Rio needs a modernized transportation and stronger links between the north, south, and west zones. Safer, more inclusive public spaces. Better lighting, active plazas, and community programs make daily life feel secure, especially in dense hubs and tourist corridors. Economic momentum. São Paulo can double down on tech, finance, and creative clusters. Rio can grow tourism, culture, blue economy, and energy services, areas already showing renewed traction. Climate resilience. Invest in trees, drainage, and hillside protections, vital for Rio's coastal slopes and São Paulo's flood-prone lowlands. And the rivalry? São Paulo is the brains and backbone, productive, innovative, intense. Rio is the soul and smile, beautiful, expressive, unforgettable. But Brazil thrives when both are strong. Rio projects the image. São Paulo powers the engine. Together they shape the Brazil the world recognizes. So which city wins your vote? Rio or São Paulo? Make a comment and let us know. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.